Project for many years. About 3.5 years ago, we joined hands with NFIT, and this is the result today. We have a concession from the government of Jordan for oil shale production. We expect to produce oil in about 5 years. In about 4 years, we can expect to produce some electricity from the oil shale. Near East Engineering was established in 1963 and has been growing strongly since then. Near East Investments was set up later on, about 5 years ago, and has been partnering with NFIT for the last 5 years as well. We concentrated on the aviation side of the industry for the last 10 years, and we have had success in selling the Airbus aircraft to the Royal Jordanian Airlines, and we have a very good record with Airbus and Jordan Airlines, Royal Jordanian, and
علاقتكم مع الجيش؟
that is all, I think.